Hello friends, I'm Parvez and this is our 27th video in Python 3 programming language, and we are going to continue our Python database programming topic. Now in the previous video we have learned how you can connect your Python to MySQL database, and this is you can see database connected successfully, and this is the code, and we have a DB test in our WAMP server. Now in this video I want to show you how you can create tables dynamically in Python programming language. So I'm going to copy this code and paste it in here. Now after connecting to this, we are going to if you check WAMP server right now in DB test, I don't have any table, but I want to create a table, employee table in here. So for this in here, after connecting, let me first create a db.cursor. So cursor like this, and after this now we are going to drop the table if it already exists. So for this you can execute this query. So cur.execute, and in here we need to write drop. This is not important, but if you don't want, you can if you don't want, you can leave it. So drop table if exists employee. Okay, now after this let me create my SQL query. So my query in here, you can give it, let me give it in here. So create a table employee. Okay, now for this employee I want to give, so first I want to give a name, and it is a car and 20 character, and it should be not null. Okay, and also I need email. So for the email I want to give it car 20, and also I need age. So age, and for this I want to give it int. Okay, now this is our complete code. Okay, not complete. After this we need to execute our query. So car.execute, and we want to execute our SQL query, and after that I'm going to print that table created successfully. Okay, now this is our code, and if I run this I should get I should create a employee table with these columns in my web server. So let me just run this. Database connected. Okay, now you can see the database connected. This is a warning, no problem. So database connected successfully and the table created successfully. Now I'm going to check this, that we have employee table in our WAMP server. Now let me open DB test. Okay, now you can see I have employee table in here. If I open this, now you can see I have name, email, and age. So thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos please subscribe to my channel.